Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Dedenne from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw an ellipse. Draw another ellipse at the bottom. Draw a vertical line to split the structure into two halves. Draw a horizontal line in the top ellipse. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw eyes. Draw mouth. Draw nose. Draw cheek. Draw cheek. Draw whiskers. Draw whiskers. Draw belly. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw hand. Draw hand. Draw tail. Detail the tail. Draw ear. Draw ear. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.